Hello, welcome to the Microtech TV show. I am Fiona. Today I will show you how to use the Microtech type of DCP 100 to transfer the caps. Yes, like we see, this machine is really different with other Microtech heat press machine. This one is used for caps. Now I will show you how to use this machine to transfer caps. The first step, turn on the power switch and you need to set the temperature to the 200 degrees and set the time to the 30 seconds. Okay, let's try it. This is the cap. Now we need to push down the handle and push the cap on the cup base. Adjust the cap and put the image on the center of the caps. Then push down the machine. We just need to 30 seconds, then we can see the caps. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so you need to push down the handle, then you can see the caps.